Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a roof by extrusion in Revit. I have already created my 4 walls on which I want to create a roof. Now before I can start with my roof command, to create a roof by extrusion, we have to sketch our profile. To create a roof by extrusion, we have to open our elevation view, 3D view, or a section view in which we can create a profile. So before we take the roof command, we have to create a reference plane. With the help of this reference plane, we can create a sketch for our roof in our different views. I click on the reference plane command and create a horizontal line. Now we can also click on the reference plane and give the name to our plane. For example, I give the name for this plane as roof plane. Once we have named this plane, we can go to the Architecture tab. We can select the roof command and we can select roof by extrusion. Once we click on the command, we get the dialog box to set our work plane. We can pick our plane or we can also select the name. For example, I created the roof plane. So I click on my roof plane. I click OK. Now Revit asks us in which view I want to work or in which view I want to create a profile for my roof. I can select my north, south, or my 3D view. I click on my north view and I open. Once we open this view, we get a dialog box for roof reference level and offset, in which we can define on which level we want to create our roof. I click level 2 and I click OK. For sketching our roof profile, we can use the combination of straight lines, arcs, as well as reference plane. For this sketch, I'm going to create an arc. I click Start and Radius Arc in the Draw panel, and I click on my start point, end point, and I give radius. Now I'm again going to draw another arc which is in continuation with my first arc. And I give radius. Once we have created our shape, we can click Finish Edit Mode. Once I click the Finish Edit Mode, my roof profile has been created. The thickness of this roof has been taken from the properties. If we want to change any property, we can drop down. We can select different types of roofs which we have, or we can create or edit our own. For example, I select a generic roof 400 mm. Now I go to my 3D view. If we orbit around, we can select our shift button and our scroll button to orbit around our sketch. We can also go to our level 2 and give the depth of our roof. Once we have adjusted our roof, we can go back to our 3D view. Now I need to adjust my wall according to the shape of this roof. I can click on the wall, right click and select all instances in entire project. Once we select any wall, in the Modify panel, we get the option of Attach Top/Base. That means I can attach this wall to my roof. I click on this icon and I select my roof. And you will notice that my walls are automatically attached to this roof, what I have just now created. If we now change the height of my wall or the height of my roof, they adjust together. So this is how we can create a simple roof by extrusion. I hope you liked the tutorial. Feel free to comment below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.